Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about lychee cracking. What are the symptoms of lychee cracking and how to get rid of the problem, or what are the remedies of this problem. So let's begin. Lychee cracking is a common problem. It can be caused by weather, hormone, affected by insects, etc. So we are going to look at the problems first. After a period of drought, there can be lychee cracking. Irregular or sudden irrigation or sudden too much rainfall after hot weather are also the reasons to have crack in lychees. It has been found that lychees which are cracked than those which are normal or good have more hormone in peels, shells and in seeds. Gibberellin, cytokinin and abscisic acid have been found in lychees which are cracked. Lack of nutrition such as lack of potassium, calcium, zinc, boron, copper, molybdenum, manganese will increase the chance of having crack in lychees. Because of defective irrigation management, lychees cracking may increase. Lack of humidity of soil and not proper irrigation are also the reason of lychee cracking. So symptoms. How can we know that there are problems? For many days of drought or heat of the sun, peels of lychees will get strong. Sudden rainfall or sudden irrigation will make the lychees large inside the peels, but outside the peels cannot be large enough and it remains strong. So lychees crack in this way. Now we will see how to save lychees from cracking and what are the remedies of the problem. We need to put organic and chemical fertilizer in proper portion in 3 times. That means before and after rainy season and finally after the lychee flower. In summer season, when it is the time of drought, we need to do irrigation 10 to 15 days intervals. When it is the time of growing lychees, we need to give lot of water in proper portion. During the time of growing lychees, we also need to spray zinc sulfate 5 gram in per liter and boric acid 5 gram per liter. Lychee cracking will also be decreased by applying hormonal spray. Naphthalene acetic acid by 25% ppm